Most men think women fall for charm, looks, or confidence. They don't. They fall for something far more dangerous: control. Not control over them, but control over yourself. When you master that, something inside her shifts. She can't stop thinking about you. She wonders what you're thinking, why you're calm, and why she can't shake you off. Today, I'll show you 5 moments when a woman starts to obsess, not because you chased her, but because you didn't. 1. When you don't react to her emotional storms, she's testing you with words, silence, or distance. She wants to see if she can shake your center, and every man she's known before broke. They defended, explained, begged, but you stayed silent, unmoved. You looked at her calm as stone and let her emotion pass like a wave against a rock. That moment, it burns in her memory because she realizes you're not another boy drowning in feelings. You're a man who owns himself, and that stillness becomes obsession. 2. When you disappear after she crosses the line, she mocks you, plays games, flirts with others to spark jealousy. Most men argue or demand answers. You don't. You vanish. No words, no drama. You let silence do the talking. And that silence haunts her louder than any message ever could, because she suddenly feels what real absence tastes like. And it tastes like regret. Now she's checking her phone, replaying the last moment she saw you, and wondering when you became the man she can't control. 3. When you say no without explanation, she asks for something unreasonable, to cancel your plans, to do something that betrays your values. You simply say no. No anger, no justification, just truth. Because strength doesn't need to explain itself. That's when she feels it, the weight of your boundaries. You're not trying to win her approval. You're showing her where the line is drawn. And that's where desire grows, not in chaos, but in certainty. 4. When you stop chasing her validation, most men feed off female attention like oxygen. They text first, seek signs, crave reassurance. But the moment you stop doing that, when you pull back and start feeding your own life, your purpose, your silence, she feels it instantly. She wonders, what changed? Who's getting his attention now? Your detachment rewires her attraction, because women aren't drawn to men who need them. They're drawn to men who choose them. And your silence becomes the loudest statement of worth she's ever heard. 5. When you show restraint in desire, she leans in. The moment is charged. Every signal says, take her now. But you don't rush. You hold her gaze. You stay still. You let her feel the tension without release. That discipline, it imprints something primal in her mind. Because it's not lust that seduces her. It's your control over it. You just became the man she can't forget. The one who had her in reach and chose patience over passion. When you do this once, just once, you flip the entire dynamic. She starts to think about you when she shouldn't. She wonders what you're doing, who you're with, and why she can't stop comparing every man to you. That's not manipulation. That's mastery. The mastery of self, silence, and restraint. Because the truth is simple, a woman doesn't obsess over the man who gives her everything. She obsesses over the man who doesn't need to. If you found truth in these words, subscribe to Stoic Brotherhood and become the kind of man she never forgets.